How to delete your Amazon account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can permanently delete your Amazon account. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to close or then delete your Amazon account permanently, it's very simple. Just go ahead and then launch the Amazon shopping application. Once you launch the Amazon application, you have to make sure to log into the exact account which you want to delete and go to the profile icon by tapping on the bottom of the screen. Once you go to your profile page over here, select the option called your account, which is at the top. Once you go to the your account option, here you have to actually scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find data and privacy, and you'll find close your Amazon account. All you have to do is just simply tap on close your Amazon account button. Once you tap on close your Amazon account, you will see all the information that is going to be deleted along with the Amazon account. If you have a Prime Video subscription, that is going to be deleted, your Amazon Associates, your Amazon Flex, and all of the other Amazon related services. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom, select that yes, you want to permanently close my account and delete my data. You can also select a reason, but which is really optional, and all you have to do is tap on the close my account button at the bottom. Now over here you'll ask waiting for your confirmation, so all you have to do is go ahead and verify with your email address. If you have received an email address, you will most likely see the confirmation link, and you have to tap on it in order to confirm the deletion process. And that's all it takes to delete your Amazon account permanently. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.